Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got some friend mail and I'm excited y'all because this is something that I just love from Chicago. And I told y'all, I did open it. I opened it because I wasn't sure. I didn't know who it was from because nobody sent me any messages. When I was leaving Chicago and I was at the airport, I had to sit for like 2 hours waiting for my plane, which is, you know, what they make you get there early. And then when I was looking at a wall, and then when I got up to go line up for the plane because I'm on Southwest, there was Garrett's Popcorn Shop right over, just, I could have walked over there and gotten anything, and I didn't know it was there. So Camille, come on through. So this is from Garrett's Popcorn Shop. Let me show you. This is their logo. Camille, move on, let me move on. Garrett's Popcorn Shop. And then, it says it on the corner there. Garrett's Popcorn Shop has been in Chicago a very long time. I don't know. I probably should look it up and see. It's been a long time, ever since I can remember. And they were on Michigan Avenue. That's where they started, and they do have other locations. And, you know, it's just a popcorn shop. So you're walking around and shopping, and you could go in there and get popcorn. And they make, you know, regular popcorn. They make flavored popcorns. And their caramel popcorn they're famous for, and their cheese popcorn they're famous for. And I'm thinking, I could be wrong about this, but I don't know why I'm thinking this, that Chicago is sort of famous for cheese popcorn. I could be making that right up just because I live there, I don't know. Well, they do what they call the Chicago mix, where they mix caramel and cheese. And when you're at the store, you know, they have the caramel popcorn and the cheese popcorn, and they put like half and half. And it's warm and it's fantastic, and you wait in long lines to get in, and it's hot, and it's so fantastic. It's a great treat. So somebody sent me this, and it says, "Happy birthday, Mary. We love you. Hope you have a wonderful day. Love, CICI and Laura." Thank you so much, CICI. So this is the logo there. And then they also must distribute Frango Mints as well, which is a Chicago, that was from Marshall Fields, which is no longer. Marshall Fields was the really fancy department store, and Macy's bought them out. Okay, so in the box, look at how nicely this is packaged, y'all. Look how pretty that is. It's a beautiful tin, and I'm gonna have to get her down to open this. Isn't that pretty? It's heavy, and it's so pretty. And there is something else in here also. There is this tin. So I'm gonna open these and I'll be right back. This is a nice box for Camille. Will like this box. If she stop waving your tail in front of the food. All right, they were sealed in plastic, so I did open this one and peeked in already. Look at how cute these tins are. Since 1949, so before my time. Garrett's Popcorn Shop's a Chicago tradition. I love the tin. It's so pretty. And when you open this one up, look at it, it's just filled to the brim, and it is sweet popcorn. There's some white chocolate on there, and then there's some caramel, and I think that's more white chocolate there. Oh my goodness, decadent. That's gonna take a long time to eat, because just a little bit at a time. Camille. And then this one, this big tin is the same tin with the logo, and it's just bigger, and it has a handle. I love that. Okay, Camille, you'll have to get out. I did move them, and then they came right back. So this is beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. It's very sort of like 1950s, I guess 1949. It has, you know, these stars on it, and just the color and everything. And oh my goodness, it smells fantastic. This is the Chicago mix, y'all. The caramel, look at how rich that caramel corn is. And I mean the cheese corn is. Oh my goodness, I have to taste it, y'all. So what you do is just take one of each. Oh my goodness. And you have that fabulous salt and sugar going. Oh my goodness. It's the best. CICI and Laura, they spoil me. They are my influencers. And I just love them. And I love these tins. So even when I'm done with these things, which I'm not sharing with anybody. The cats can't have it, and I'll just eat it myself. I'll take my time. Don't worry, I won't get sick. I'm just gonna enjoy this, and thank you so much, CICI and Laura. I love you both so much. Thank you so much. Y'all, thanks for stopping by to see what I got. And y'all, count your blessings. Bye-bye.